Making Cockcrew ponytail is very easy, guys. With this video, what you need to do as a beginner is to watch this video to the end, because after watching this video you will be doing a Cockcrew threading hairstyle like a pro. All you need to do is section your hair that you want to use, then cross the extension the way I cross this one in this video, then hold the hair with one part of the extension. Use the second part of the extension to wrap the down of the hair. This will allow the hair to look firm at the down. Please, while rolling it, if it is on someone head, don't hold it too tight so the person will not be having pains. Then you pick your threading that you want to use. It could be any thread, but in this video I'm using the Brazilian wood thread. Wrap the thread on under the hair that you have sectioned like 3 to 4 times. And one thing you need to do after wrapping the extension is make sure you knot the extension. You can see me knotting my own extension. Why should you knot it? It will enable the hair to stand firm while you are about to roll it. This way you will not be having issue of thread removing or the hair losing from the down after making your hair. So now I have to make sure this hair enter into the extension. It's in the middle of that extension so that the Cockcrew ponytail will come out very beautiful and neat. So you make sure the hair is inside the extension. Brush the hair out very well. Brush the extension out. If you know you are not using Brazilian wool, if you are using attachment extension, make sure you brush it out very well the way I'm doing in this video. This is the best way to do it. And another important things you need to do is, while twisting the extension, please don't twist it to the right side of your hand. That way your Cockcrew will never come out well. The best way to twist it is twisting it to the left part. You can see it in this video. Twist it to the left part and make it very tight and firm, just the way I'm doing it. You can as well twist it from the beginning to the end part of the extension if you can do it. But if you cannot do that, you can twist it from the beginning maybe to the center part. After that, you keep twisting it until you finish the rolling of the thread. Now I'm done twisting it. What I need to do is to wrap my thread on the extension this way. Guys, look at the way I'm wrapping the hair on it. Wrap the hair on the extension from the beginning to the end. As you are wrapping it, if you cannot twist it to the end, as you are wrapping it, anywhere you reach, you draw it down. Yes, the way I'm dragging it down, drag it down. You can see how it is, guys. Please, after watching this video, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, because I have a lot of amazing tutorial like this to show you. Yes, you can see this. I wrapped down the one I twisted. Now I'm wrapping the remaining part of the extension for me to get everything the length I want for this particular Cockcrew threading braid. Guys, this is how to do it, man. This is how to do it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to share this video to get to others